So we had news the other day that Daxton Bennick's time at Star Racing Yamaha had come to an end. And that also came along with the rumor that he was joining the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna team and didn't have to wait very long because it has been announced. Along with their 5-rider lineup, he is now one of them, saying, quote, "I really like the bike so far and I'm enjoying the new team. It's all going really well. I'm really happy with everything and I'm super excited to learn as a team, keep improving together. We're pumped up and ready to do this in 2026. Now, obviously, this is a big change from the powerhouse star Yamaha team who just seems to, I guess, sign and have half the field on their team, and also just one of probably the best bikes going at the moment, over to, the KTM. It's a white KTM, let's be honest here. No matter what it is, it's a Husqvarna. They call it, he'll be riding the, it's the Husqvarna something or other, FC250 Factory Edition. There it is. The Husqvarna FC250 Factory Edition. And let's be honest, it is just a KTM that is white, but he does have KTM experience from his amateur days, and so far in his career, whatever you want to call it, he has 2 podiums in Supercross and won the 2023 Nicky Hayden AMA Motocross Horizon Award, and we'll see. I mean, obviously, it's going to be a big change from Yamaha, again, powerhouse, over to still a factory squad, but on the smaller side. I mean, not really now, considering they have 2 450 guys and 2 450. Yeah, that's what I said, and 3 250 guys. So it's going to be, who knows, 2 people on the West Coast, 1 on the East. I don't know how this is going to work or where he's going to be racing, but it's exciting to see. I mean, obviously, changes are always good. Sometimes it helps people. You move from a team to a different environment, different bike, and whatever it is clicks, and you just get more out of somebody. So we're gonna have to wait and see how this is gonna work, how well he does, what coast he races on. I'm excited. I mean, obviously, what are we, like 40 or something, 50 days, something till A1, and who knows if he's even going to be racing there. But it's always a good thing, having people signed factory squads, having factory squads in and staying around. Obviously, with the KTM money problems of last year, it's good to see that Husqvarna's still around and, well, KTM's still going. And I don't know about Gas. Somebody comment down below. Is Gas still running? Who's on their team? I actually don't know. So comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for A1? Are you still excited? Or are you watching World Supercross? I know OzX just happened and the Lawrence brothers dominating that. That's whatever. home field advantage, whatever you want to call it. But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who do you think is going to win Supercross this year? How well do you think Eli Tomac's going to do in the change? How do you think Ducati's going to do coming in? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.